Hi guys, it's Becca. So I was talking to my friends, asking like, oh, where are your favorite places to shop recently? It's a topic of very high interest for me, so it does come up very frequently in my conversations. I don't know about anyone else. And a shop that kept being mentioned was CODIBOOK. So I've already known about CODIBOOK for a few years and then just recently rediscovered them. So of course I had to go check it out. I went online and quickly got very overwhelmed. They have like over 100,000 something individual items on their website, and that's because they have lots of different brands, well-known brands in one place. So they have brands like Common Unique, Mix X Mix, From Beginning, and some beauty items as well. So today's haul is actually a collective one. It was made over 3 different purchases. Because of that, there's quite a few items to show you, and so I'm just going to try and whiz through them really quickly, or at least quicker than usual. So on that note, let's start. So I guess we can start with this jumper over here. It's got that typical university print, and I really liked it for its color as well. It's like a really nice calm kind of muted blue, so I think it'll be really good for everyday wear, and it's really oversized as well. It is a little bit of a thinner material. It's not fleece lined or anything like that, but a pro of thinner materials is that it sits really nicely on the bodies, and it makes it really nice as a layering piece without feeling too bulky as well. I also bought the cream color as well. I usually buy one color first and then decide on buying the other one after I receive it. I just decided to trust the model pictures on this one. So I think this one was stated that it was white, but it's actually more of like a beige ivory. Do you want to say hi? Yes, I'm gonna show you something that I'm really excited about next. Is pajamas. I love buying and collecting pajamas, so I might do a whole dedicated video on that one day. So if you're a homebody like me, you'll probably be in your pajamas a lot of the time, so it's really easy to feel like slobby and like a bum when you're at home. But when you buy nice ones like these, you still feel very like cute and put together even when you're at home. So that's why I really like to buy these, and I just like matching sets. So this one that I've got over here, it's got these really nice vintage flowers on like a very like yellowy beige base. It's a button down like collared type, and it's a very nice like wrinkly material, and the material is thinner than flannels, but it still feels like really decent quality, and it's got this like wrinkled texture as well that I really like. Next one's a bit of a basic one but an essential one. I have some white blouses, but I don't have like a normal one. I've got ones with like massive sleeves and like, like tie collars and things like that, but I just wanted a normal one to just wear normally for normal outfits. I think it's good to have basic ones as well, because sometimes you want something else to be the star of the show. Just like this cotton one from Common Unique. It's slightly oversized, but it's not to the point where you can't tuck it in or anything like that. So I think it's a pretty decent one to have, and I know that I'll be getting a lot of use out of it. So the next 2 things I'm going to show you are insane. So firstly, we have this pink sweat set. Got a really cute baby pink color, which is not too vibrant, which I prefer. One of the things I like the most about Korean fashion is that they choose their colors really well. So this set includes a pink zip-up cropped hoodie, and also some really flowy shorts that go with it. It's just a jersey material, so it is really comfortable. So you can wear this lounging around at home or just on a casual outing somewhere. I think it'll look the cutest styled with some white sneakers, and they also look really good as separate individual pieces as well. So I can definitely see myself wearing this with some blue jeans. I've also got another set coming up, so this purple one over here, which I think I might actually like a little bit more than the pink one. But before we get to that one, there's going to be a little intermission with this t-shirt first. It's so cute. So it's a nice oversized t-shirt, and it's got this print over here. I know like these kitten like slash bear photo prints have been really popular lately. So it just says the Kitten Club, and it's got 4 different kittens on it, and I'm liking the oversized fit of it as well. And just in case for the people who do care about this sort of thing, the printing itself has been printed on, you can feel the film of the print, so it's not printed into the fibers, if that makes sense. It's more of like a film placed on top. Obviously having printed it into the material will make it last a lot longer, but personally I don't mind that. As long as it stays put and doesn't fade away, then I'm all good. And I feel like the graphic kind of pops a lot more as well. I first saw the pictures of these sets on J-BLIN's Instagram, and man, they have no right making those pictures so cute. So the first thing you'll notice about this set, if you get it, is that it is really thin, a bit more of a thinner jersey material than the pink one that I just showed you. So it does have the con of feeling a bit more flimsy, but a pro is definitely that it fits and sits and flows so nicely. And it's really just so comfortable. The really amazing thing about this one is that it has built-in shorts on the inside because the thinner material can be a lot more lightweight, meaning that it can get picked up by the wind more easily. So you can put your mind at ease about that one with the extra security. And the elastic is really small, but it's very stretchy. So the next one is this top that I got. It's a zip up. It's one of the tops with like the 2 zips, like one at the top, one at the bottom, so you can kind of adjust it to how you want to wear it. This one I'm gonna have to wait until summer to be able to wear it. So it's like this pinkish, purplish color, and I think it'll look just really nice as like a casual piece with like jeans or a skirt. And this one is ribbed, so it is quite stretchy as well. It like kind of molds to your body. And yeah, it's just very cute. What can I say? The next thing is this cardigan that I got over here. It's a really nice Argyle pattern. So I know Argyle, especially right now, is a really trendy, popular pattern. But I think the color combination of like the navy and white and pink makes it a lot more unique. And I think it'll look the best paired with like skirts and maybe like a knee-high boots or something like that. And I would say it's a knit that's a bit on the thinner side. It looks really pretty on camera. So you can wear this buttoned up all the way like a top, or you can wear it open just like a normal cardigan as well. Next thing is these jeans. I think I finally found the perfect wide pair for me. So it's really high-waisted and it's like a straight slash wide fit, but more closer to wide, and it's got a nice light denim, but not too light, and it doesn't seem to run too big or too small, so you can just be ordering your normal size. The zip is a bit on the shorter side, so it might take a bit of work to get it past your hips, but once it's up there, looks really good, so worth. Next item is these sweatpants. I hardly buy sweatpants, but I've been wanting to get one that I can just wear really casually to work or at home. And this one, the fit seemed to look really good. It's like a cargo style, so it has these pockets on the sides. It's also elasticated at the bottom, which I like because it gives that really like poof shape. And the really good thing about this one is that it's fleece lined. So if you're looking for like a really warm pair of sweatpants slash joggers, then this is definitely the one to go for. The only thing is that if you're a bit taller, it might be a little bit short on you unless you like the crop length. Since this is a bit of a thicker material, if you want something really fitted to accentuate your waist and your hips, then this one might not be the one for you. And then I also got this jumper, or at least half of a jumper. I don't know if you can see, but it's the really cropped style. So a bit longer in the back. It only covers like this chest area, so you maybe might want to wear something underneath. Like, I don't know, it's up to you, but you might get cold. And then it's got these really oversized sleeves. It overall gives off like a really hip, trendy street style feel, and I think it'll look really good with the sweatpants that I just showed you. Next item is this dress. So this one is a little bit different to something that I'd usually buy, but it's another style that I really wanted to try out. I really don't know the name for it, but it is along the kind of like feminine street hip style. I don't know the name for it, but it's definitely a thing, so I'll include some pictures. So this one's got like this lace up corset detail in the front. It is a bit on the shorter side, but it does add to that style, so I'm not really complaining here. I think if you pair it with something like Doc Martens, it gives a really nice contrast and makes you look really cool. I just want to be a cool girl. Next item is something called a Bolero. I don't know if you remember wearing those Boleros in middle school or primary with like the ties in the front. They are back, but don't worry, they're not as traumatizing. So the newly reformed Boleros are essentially just really cropped cardigans. Some of them only just cover the shoulders and that's it, but this is the one that I got. It's a really chunky knit material, so it honestly feels like a blanket when you wear it, and I got it in like a really warm cream color. The only thing about them is that they kind of fall off the shoulders when it's like really windy, when you like make too many arm movements. So you do have to kind of keep pulling it up throughout the day, but honestly I just really like how they look, and if you have nice shoulders, then now's your chance to shine. Next thing is this Maxi Skirt that I got. It's like a really nice flowy one that I've been wanting to have for a while. Sometimes you just don't really feel like wearing a mini skirt. So a really long one like this can give off a really relaxed feel. This one over here has like tears in it, so every time you like spin or move around, you can feel it like flowing really nicely. So it just makes you feel really good to wear it, and you don't really have to worry about flashing anyone. Oh, well actually, okay, well sometimes the only time you have to worry about flashing someone is when you're sitting on the ground and then you stand up and then you accidentally stand on the hem of your dress and then it kind of pulls your skirt down, but other than that, completely fine. No worries at all. And some more jumpers to show you as well. It's got this really cute bear printed on it, and I just really like the combination of the grey and the blue. And same deal with the first jumpers that I showed you. They're a bit more of a thinner material as well, not fleece lined or anything like that, and also very oversized. I also got it in this purple yellow combination as well, and yeah, the fit of these is just really good too. And the next one is this cardigan top. I say that because this is really more of a top than a cardigan. It looks a lot better when it's closed up like this. So there's so many elements of this that I really like. First of all, it's quite nice, thick and chunky. And it's got this nice braided detail on the sides and the sleeves. This ribbed part over here that kind of cinches in the waist. And then the ribbed cuffs over here, which I like to fold up. And then that's accentuated by the really big oversized sleeve. So this is a really good example of how an otherwise really plain cardigan can be like spiced up and made into a really unique top. So the tray that you can see now is empty, but I actually have a few more things to show you, so it's not over yet. We still have outerwear and accessories. So first is this padded jumper that I got. It's a cream color. It's got this quilted detailing on it, and it's got a high collar. It came just a little bit more oversized than I expected, but it's really warm and roomy, so it makes it really comfortable to wear. The reason why I prefer summer fashion rather than winter fashion is because everything that you wear, it just gets covered up by the jacket. So once I realized that, I thought it was time to start buying some really cute jackets as well. But yeah, quality wise, this feels really good. I don't know about the black version, but the cream version has this really smooth matte finish to it, so it just looks really high quality, and it feels high quality as well. This is the last clothing piece of this haul. So I've got this leather jacket, leather look jacket, and it's a bit of a boyfriend fit. I guess it's similar to something like a bomber jacket style, but it's not padded or anything. As you can see, it's just got like lining inside. I did expect this to be a bit thicker, but I also don't mind the thinness. It makes it a little bit more versatile because then you don't have to keep it strictly for winter like a padded jacket. I do wish it was a little bit longer to cover like the hip and butt area, but otherwise I'm pretty happy with this purchase. And the really good thing about this is that it didn't have a smell to it when you first open it, like a lot of fake leather products do. So that was really good. You can start wearing it straight away. I saw someone left a review about it as well, and it definitely turned out to be true. So I'm really glad that the shop like took some time to care about that as well. Now it's time for accessories. I'm just going to show you my favorite thing first. So after I saw this picture, I've been looking for a leather scrunchie for so long, and I finally found one at CODIBOOK. It was pretty much exactly what I was looking for. So surprisingly hard to find, but I'm really glad that I came across this. I think it gives us such a cool vibe. I can't believe how much of a difference like something just changing up the material can make. Speaking of changing up the material, I'm sure we've all seen this style of claw clip. It's usually like a plastic one and it's got the loop in front, but they've kind of put a fuzzy material on top of it, so it makes it a lot more cozy and cute. I think it'll pair really well with like maybe the beige cardigan that I showed you before, and I think it'll just make such a cute addition to the overall outfit, and it's just so soft. I mean, the people who created this just really just said why not. Next is my AirPods case. Okay, I'm really proud of this one because are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Okay, no. It looks like this. Okay, this is my AirPods case. It's got these like crystal bead chain, and then it's got this like butterfly, but everything's like also holographic, and I don't know if you can see, but the body is like, it's got glitter in it as well, and the prettiness just never ends. Oh, I'm so out of focus. I usually don't buy like these transparent cases anymore just because they discolor, but this one honestly I just couldn't resist it. So do you see that? Freaking beautiful. Speaking of cases, I also got a phone case. So this one just has like these blue speckles on it, kind of similar to like a fake leather material maybe, but it's also got this like grey edge as well. This is my current case. Nobody asked, but so as someone who really likes rings, I got these two over here. They're like the acrylic style rings that have been quite popular because they're really light. Sometimes they look like glass and like they don't really break or anything when you drop them. These two ones that I have are really similar actually, both transparent holographic. One's like got this wavy style, and one's like this blob style. Okay, so the reason why I got such similar ones is because the wavy one I feel like I wear really often just as like an everyday piece, but then the other one, it just looks like bubbles. It looks like bubbles on your fingers. So the size of the bubble one is a bit bigger though, like it can fit on my thumb. And I don't know, it's bubbles. So pretty. Next thing I want to show you is this bag that I got. So, like this. I think I just fell in love with the color, this baby blue, and this strap is adjustable as well, so you can wear it like shoulder style or you can wear it as a crossbody style. I think it also solves the problem for the people who think shoulder bags are like the typical ones are a bit too small, you can't fit anything. This one's a bit bigger, so you can definitely fit a lot more stuff inside. Yeah, and it just feels really nice, and they had a few different color options as well. I think this will be really good to carry around as an everyday bag. It's like a fake leather style, and I like how the hardware is all in silver as well, so that really complements the blue. It's got an inner pocket, it's got two inner pockets, and it's lined with fabric. So I think it's overall a very decent bag. These are the last items of the haul. It's these. It's these slippers. I think they're trending in Korea right now. So the name of these is Dongkarong slippers. Dongkarong is like, you know, like macarons, but with they have like a more thicker, more upgraded version. So I guess maybe that's what they're inspired by. These casual slippers, you can just wear them indoors or just casually outside. I think I'm going to be mainly wearing mine indoors. Since I prefer this style to the fluffy type of slippers, I feel like these are a lot more like long lasting. And can also like be a little bit more easily cleaned. I think the black one I'll keep at work, and the pink one I'll probably wear it at home. So they're just like this really smooth, like bendy. I just love how bulky they look. It kind of reminds me of like marshmallows, and yeah, I think they're just really cute. So yes, you're getting a lot of use out of those. So that was it for today's CODIBOOK haul / review. I hope that you found some that you liked, or maybe there was something that you were thinking of purchasing but wanted to see a review on it first. If you did see anything that you liked, the links are always down below. For more inspiration, you can go to their Instagram page, which they have really good posts. So they're called CODIBOOK for a reason. Their Instagram is filled with tons and tons of outfit inspirations as well as links to the specific items, so definitely check those out. And if you like those kind of styling posts, they also have this feature on their website where you can build your own styling post. You can also follow certain people's accounts as well. So I thought that was really cute and just a really good idea for a new kind of social media, a new kind of way to online shop. This video, even though it sounds like it was not sponsored by CODIBOOK in any way. I'm just really excited to share about the new place that I'm going to shop from. In terms of quality, because they have different brands, the quality is going to be different according to the brand. So there's no set answer for what they're like. So yeah, let me know if there's any specific content that you'd like to see from me, and I am always open to hearing about them. So yeah, let me know. But otherwise, if you saw anything in this video that you liked, the links are in the description below as always, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!